Today, we're going to bring an iPad cover. We're going to take a look at it and see what you get when you get something like this. So let's go ahead and open it up. So just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this out for review. So let's go ahead and open it up. What you get, look at this, the quality of it. Rubber end on this part. You got plenty of space for your actual phone camera. And then you got this area on the top for the where the pen rests, okay? Now, one thing I like about it that you have access to all your functions in the bottom here. You got your for your charging, and then you got your for your speakers, and then on top of it, you got your mic setups. All right, simple for your camera. And then on the side of it, you're going to have access to the actual buttons here. So you'll be able to access the buttons easy. Now, if you guys notice this back, you guys can see the iPad cover closes up pretty good. Now, if you want to lean it towards you, you can do that by pretty much setting it up at 1 degree. If you guys notice, I'm going to show you a side angle how it's supposed to be. Very simple. So you could have it at eye range. You still have access to your camera here, your other functions, and look at this. It's very flexible, very flexible. I like this plastic cover. It's everywhere, easy to actually bend, and it actually uniforms really good with the actual iPad too. And then at the bottom, like I said, you have access to the charging station and everything else. Another crazy thing is that you have plenty of space for your camera from the iPad, so it's not that bad if you guys can see it. It perfectly fit an iPad, all right? So it's not that bad. So it's huge. This is going to be movable and easy to open. So I like this feature in the back where the camera actually resides. So on the top, if you guys can see the pen, this is an Apple pen, all right? If you guys can see the Apple Pencil, it syncs up perfectly in there. It lines up with the rest of the stuff, easy to set up. So I like this feature. This is one of my favorite features